Honorable Executive Vice President, Asia, Asia, Toyota Motor Asia, sorry, and CEO of Pakistan Toyota Motors, distinguished guests, esteemed members of Indus Motor Company Limited, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It is with immense pride and great pleasure that I stand before you today to extend my heartiest congratulations to Indus Motors Company Limited and its esteemed Chief Executive Officers, Mr. Ali Asghar Jamali, on achieving remarkable milestones that resonate deeply with our nation's aspirations. Today we celebrate the outstanding accomplishment of Indus Motors Company Limited in reaching an impressive 64% localization in their operations. This significant achievement not only reflects a commitment to strengthening our domestic industry, but also exemplifies the vision of transforming Pakistan into a hub of innovation and self-reliance. The dedication and strategic foresight demonstrated by Indus Motor Company Limited to integrate local content into their production process underscore their pivotal role in the growth of our industrial sector. It is really encouraging to know that Indus Motor Company has invested over $700 million to expand its capacity to 76,000 units, making the largest sheet metal part producer in Pakistan. Moreover, the company's contribution of Pak rupees 255 billion to the national checker is a testament to its unwavering commitment to national development. Such contributions are crucial in supporting our economy, fostering sustainable growth, and enhancing the quality of life of our citizens. It is through these efforts that we build a resilient economic framework, paving the way to future progress and prosperity. In addition to these remarkable achievements, we commend Indus Motor Company Limited for their proactive approach in addressing environmental challenges. The introduction of hybrid electric vehicles is a significant stride towards reducing our country's CO2 footprint and promoting sustainable transportation solutions by embracing eco-friendly technologies. Indus Motor Company Limited is not only aligning with global trends, but also setting a commendable example for others in the industry to follow. Mr. Ali Asghar Jamali's leadership has been instrumental in steering the company towards these milestones. His vision and dedications have propelled Indus Motor Company Limited to new heights, making it a beacon of excellence in the automotive sector. His contributions are a source of inspiration, and we look forward to seeing further innovation and advancement under his esteemed guidance. And today, as you mentioned, we are launching for exporting Indus Motors Limited products to other countries. It's really, it's a I am very happy, Jamali Saab, that is very close to my aspiration that you are undertaking this task, and I hope you will increase this export in coming future, inshallah. In closing, I extend my sincere congratulations to Indus Motor Company Limited and Mr. Asghar Jamali. Your achievements are a source of national pride and a testament to the spirit of progress and innovation that defines our great nations. May your continued efforts lead to even greater success and contribute to the ongoing development of Pakistan industrial and environmental landscape. Thank you very much.
Hussain, Federal Minister for Industries and Production, Major Adnan Mustafa, Coordinator SIFC, Engineer Huda Bush, CEO for Engineering Development Board, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good afternoon to you. It is my great honor to be here today celebrating significant milestone for the Make in Pakistan Toyota vehicles and parts export. Let me begin by extending heartfelt gratitude to the government of Pakistan. Your consistent support and guidance since IMC's inception have allowed Toyota's business in Pakistan to flourish, benefiting both our company and the nation. I'd like to take a moment to appreciate the dedication of all stakeholders involved in IMC's success, from vendors and dealers to employees, management, and our valued partners, including the Japanese Embassy. You have collectively shaped Toyota into the most beloved brand in Pakistan. Despite the challenges Pakistan has faced in recent years, Toyota acknowledges the country's resilience and perseverance in overcoming the hurdles it has endured. The transformative and collaborative efforts of the government have played a key role in supporting Pakistan's path to economic recovery. Our trust in Pakistan's future remains unshakable. We reaffirm our commitment to supporting IMC and Pakistan in their endeavors, both in the past and towards the future. Toyota also recognizes the immense potential of the country and its people. In Toyota, we say we build people before we build cars, emphasizing the improvement in skill and training of human resources. We look forward to continued collaboration and success, allowing us to continue to contribute to Pakistan's growth. Today, we celebrate IMC's remarkable achievement in commencing vehicle exports to Oceania, despite the challenges posed by global markets. Your dedication and perseverance to seek excellence and growth opportunity truly deserve recognition. Toyota recognizes the challenges faced by Pakistan and its auto industry, and the imperative to improve the trade balance. This is another step up for our contribution in export, while we also need to work further towards competitiveness and sustainability. Together with Toyota Asia and IMC, we would like to express our appreciation for Pakistan government, continuous understanding and support. Thank you all for being part of this incredible journey. Let us continue moving forward, united by our shared vision and unwavering commitment to excellence. Please enjoy the rest of the ceremony. Thank you very much.
Honorable Minister Rana Tanveer Saab, thank you very much for coming. Engineer Khudabaksh, known as KB, very famous, thank you for coming. Major Adnan from SIFC, thank you for all the support and thank you for coming. Iguchi-san, thank you for coming all the way to attend this ceremony. I'll very quickly take all names: Brian-san, Akuno-san, Kamsi-san, and Parmit, our Malaysian friend. Thank you for coming. With the thanks, I would, with the request of all our Japanese, I would like to speak in Urdu. पहले तो आप सबको बहुत मुबारक हो। आवाज नहीं आ रही। बात यह है कि ये आज मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि मिनिस्टर साहब ने बड़ी तारीफ़ें की एज इंडिविजुअल मेरी, बट मैं ये कहता हूँ कि ये पूरा जो पौधा जो है मिनिस्टर साहब, ये जो एक लीडर थे जो अब नहीं है हमारे साथ, ये सारा ड्रीम भी उनका था अली हबीब साहब के लिए, तो आई थिंक ये सारा क्रेडिट उनको जाता है। उन्होंने एक आज से कई साल पहले टोयोटा ने सबसे पूछा था, सारे जितने मुल्क थे, उसने कहा आपका क्या ड्रीम है, तो अली साहब ने लिखा था ये कि मेरा ड्रीम है कि पाकिस्तान से टोयोटा की गाड़ियाँ एक्सपोर्ट हो, तो आज का दिन उनके नाम पे है जी। और मेरा ख्याल है कि मिनिस्टर साहब, हमारे यहाँ हमारे जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं 4000 लोग हमारे साथ काम करते हैं, उनकी मेहनत और उनकी लगन के बगैर ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो मैं अगला क्रेडिट देता हूँ अपने टीम मेंबर्स को जिन्होंने इस चीज़ को पॉसिबल किया। हम पाकिस्तान में सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी और टोयोटा में compete करते हैं, वो आपकी वजह से। हमारी मशीनें सर गाड़ियाँ नहीं बनाती, हमारे लोग गाड़ियाँ बनाते हैं। हमारा एसेट ये लोग हैं, ये सिर्फ हमारी 10% पॉपुलेशन है। बाकी लोगों को हम यहाँ जमा नहीं कर सके क्योंकि बारिश हो गई। हमने एक बड़ा पंडाल लगाया था, लेकिन हमने कहा था प्लान भी बना के रखें। सर कुछ चीज़ें मैं मिनिस्टर साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा। पिछले 5 महीने में मिनिस्टर साहब ने, आपने जिस तरह मोटिवेट किया हमें और हमें इनकरेज किया, उसका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर। उसकी वजह से ये पॉसिबल हुआ। तो तहे दिल से राणा साहब आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ आप हमें इसी तरह मोटिवेट करते रहिएगा, और वो जो डंडा रखा है आपने वो प्लीज़ उसको साइड पे कर लीजिएगा। हम मोटिवेशन से आपका सारा काम कर देंगे सर, डंडे से काम नहीं होता सर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। SIFC ने हमें बड़ा सपोर्ट किया, आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। कुछ चीज़ें सर मेरा ख्याल है मीटिंग में कवर कर ली। मैं उसको जो मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया, आई थिंक मैं यहाँ रिपीट नहीं करूँगा। आई थिंक कुछ काम जो है वो गवर्नमेंट जो है उसके भी करने हैं। हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे साथ काम करें। इंशाल्लाह हम इसको इंक्रीज़ करेंगे। हमें FTF चाहिए, PTF चाहिए, मुल्क में रॉ मटेरियल की इंडस्ट्री होनी चाहिए। सब चीज़ें आई थिंक हमने बड़ी डिटेल में डिस्कस की और आपने यकीन दिलाया कि इंशाल्लाह इन चीज़ों पे काम होगा। लॉन्ग टर्म पॉलिसीज़ की ज़रूरत है इस मुल्क को, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट वो है सर हमारा ह्यूमन, हमारा जो पाकिस्तानी वर्क फोर्स है वो दुनिया में किसी से कम नहीं है। और उसकी मिसाल ये है कि हमने, जिस तरह मैंने आपको मीटिंग में भी बताया, कि हमने जो अपने यहाँ से लोग भेजे, टोयोटा ने उसको कहा कि जितने मुल्क थे उसमें सबसे बेहतरीन रिसोर्स हमारा था। ना सिर्फ इनका स्किल बेहतर है, इनका डिसिप्लिन बेहतर है, और मुझे तहे दिल से पाकिस्तानी होने पे फ़ख्र है इन लोगों की वजह से कि ये जाते हैं, हमारा नाम रोशन करते हैं। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे टीम मेंबर्स का। आप सबको बहुत मुबारक हो। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।